Okay. Good evening, all. Yeah. So yesterday, created purchase requisition, purchase order, and receipt. So next what data will move to the payable in module, account payables. So based on that configuration, pay on receipt. Yesterday I was shown you right in purchase order. If enable that checkbox, system will auto generate payable invoice in payables. Yeah, this payable invoice I can match with purchase order and receipt. Two-way matching, three-way matching. There is another matching, four-way matching. So validate invoice details. That is again important concept. So that we'll discuss later. Now let's see. Find it whether this invoice is created or not in the payables. All right. Let me log in with financial user. So you can use fin underscore IMPL or CASI Pro. These two are financial predefined users only. Okay. That's good. Verify the reset the password for a user. Go to home. So where you will find the users, create users, update users, go to tools, security console, right? This is the place. Go to users and find user fin underscore IMPL. It is in locked status. So because of that, which was not login. When I reset password, so automatically that lock will be disabled. Same password I'm setting. Why this? Okay. Save and close. Then let me log in with the FinIMPL user. I'll sign out from lead data vary. Okay. Go to work area. Order management, product management. Why payable is not showing here? Okay. Let me verify. So that work area enabled or not by selecting this plus. I can see here product management, risk management, field service, receivables. Yeah, payables. It is there but not enabled. Save and close. Payables. Click on this invoices. In recent, so here in this infolate, all it is showing zeros. Okay, let me change to 3 days. Also, nothing it is showing. Few are under hold. Okay, let me try to find it directly from task list. Manage invoices. My business unit. US one business unit. All right. Supplier advanced work. Invoice date. So yesterday's date, right? Such. You are there. So which one is ours? So it is showing fully paid also. Account data. I think these two are not ours invoices. Go to lines. Line level 162,131. It is the PO number, but our PO number is different, no? Our PO number is US 165,172. No, it's not ours. That too, it is created in Seattle, but yesterday we created in Atlanta. So, which is not ours. Okay. So, invoice is not created, right? Let me log in with SCM IMPL. So, interface the data from SCM to payables. So we should run the program, right? ESA job request, which was not submitted yesterday. I just was created receipt, then we had wind up session. So now today I am submitting that program, that ESH job. So from where this program will be submitted, you go to tools, click on schedule processes. Schedule new process. This was send pay on receipt. So it's a ESH job name. Okay. So transaction source, you can select ASBN or ASBN means Advance Shipment Billing Notice. Advance Shipment Billing Notice. So when implemented supplier portal module, supplier will create directly invoice in supplier portal. Then that will be imported to payables. But ERS, evaluated receipt settlement. If you want to create invoice against receipt, so generally we use this transaction source. But anyway, this is not mandatory. Blank also you can, and also receipt number also you can select optionally. If without receipt number, if I can submit, no problem. Receipt also it's not a mandatory, right? I can submit. But if somebody created receipts, that data also it will move to the payables. I don't want to others data move to payables. I wanted to move transfer interface my receipt data to payables. Okay, submit. Okay, then refresh and complete. So along with this ESH job, send pay on receipt. First, I'll tell you this send pay on receipt. Technically, it will move data from um, receipt tables, receiving transaction tables to per payables interface table, payable invoice interface table. Okay, this program, this ESH job. See, there is another automatically submitted import payable invoices. This ESH job will import data from AP invoice interface tables to AP invoice base tables. So this one also succeeded, this one also succeeded. So we can almost hope, yeah, definitely that invoice will be created. If failed, this one or this one, that means we can think so invoice is not created, data is not properly submitted. Okay, and you no need to go to where payables. From here itself you will find, see, this is the invoice report. You just open this report. Here only system will show the data details, whether this invoice is created, what is the invoice number, some other details are, so it will show you. So I'm downloading in PDF. Okay, some data is there. Yep. So my supplier is Advance Corp, correct? So this is my invoice number. So how I will know, find, anyway, here is okay. I was just submitted with only my receipt number, but see 60052 is what? 60052 is the receipt. So it is correct, right? Whatever, this is the my invoice, and some invoice amount, 481. I was received for 5 quantity yesterday, I think. Yeah. So that to one line only. So, and other second line, third line, some taxes calculated. So report is fine, looks fine. I will also verify from payables. Okay, I'll just refresh this page, payables dashboard. So actually, it has to show here recent, right? Maximum 5 days, 7 days, 24 hours. It is 24 hours, okay. It will update here. One invoice is created with incomplete, complete. But it will take time, some time, maybe 10-15 minutes it will take to update the details in dashboard. Otherwise, you go to task list menu, click on this manage invoices, and select this invoice date, today date, and search. Anyway, already I have invoice number also. See, not this one. Did it 14 on 13? Okay, today, so 60052. 60052. That's this one, right? This was created in the year 21. That to different. This is mine. Just now, what I have found. Okay, which is in not validated status, and standard invoice. Days. So this copied from purchase order to invoice. Yesterday I was shown you, right? Payment of net 30. And what details? See, 5 quantity. Yesterday I was received. This is my PO number, correct, right? PO number, my receipt number. And taxes also some calculated 35. This is US tax actually. And what details needs to be. So here some information is showing status not validated. Click on this not validated. Why it is not validated? It's just information, nothing wrong, error. Okay, I'll try to validate it. Click on this validate. So now system will verify the details. What invoice created with the correct details, anything is missing. So my organization, Atlanta. So it is validated. So invoice also it's okay. It looks fine. Nothing wrong with this. And here any holes, approvals needs applied, maintain, we can find it. Payments, whether this payment is done or not till now, we can find it. No payments. and any installments giving. So distribution details. In purchase order also there was the distributions, right? Here also invoice distributions, you can find it. So distribution type. In distribution generally we'll find the account details. Here, especially in payable distributions. But in the purchase order, yes, other details, sub inventory, other details also we can see. There are many accounts here: accrual account, non-recoverable tax account. So different taxes calculated, right? Three, but that amount it will go to those accounts. Go to lines and see this. This is the amount. It will go to different accounts. Now what should I do? Go to actions and post to ledger. So data sending to ledger finally, right? Invoice accounting entries. Also receipt accounting also there, cost accounting also there. Okay. Now directly I am showing payable accounting. See here accrual account, non-recoverable account. So it is debited, and liability account. So it is credited. This is liability account, nothing but supplier account. So initially this account will credit. Once payment is done, this liability account debit, my cash account credit. Okay. Now just note down this invoice number. So next what? After creating invoice, payment, right? Based on due date. So I will payment to my supplier. Select done. Next, create payment. So go back to payables work area and click on this payments. Here, create payment. Enter supplier number, creating payments to which supplier? Advanced Corp. So this is supplier site. By default, it is coming AC Japan.
Business unit is showing as Japan business unit.
Sorry. Let me check. US1 business unit. Wants to go. What happened? Let me reopen the page. Create payment. First, I'll change my business unit, US1 business unit. Okay, so this is my supplier site. Some indication is showing. Actually, for this site, some recommended discounts are there. Okay, some 20%. If you want, you can use this discount. Accept. Okay, so payment date when you want to pay that you can pay it, and here manual quick refund. So use this quick refund means when supplier amount returned. So receive that amount into organization. I'll use this refund. So manual also almost same. Nothing much difference. Quick and manual. So this is the disbursement bank account. This is our bank account. Our means customer bank account, organization bank account. So there are two banks are there, Bank of America, and in which currency you want to pay. Yes, my invoice currency was USD dollar. I'll also pay in USD dollar. Payment method, electronic, other payment methods are there. So you can use anything. So I use check. So here profile, standard check format, standard check all currencies. So this is the supplier bank account. Remit to account means supplier bank account, this one. Supplier account also, it is in Bank of America only. My account and this is my account. This is a supplier account. Both are in same bank. And payment document check. I am issuing check. So this is the check number or leaf number 4050. So if any physical check is there, you can attach it here. Definitely it will be there. We can attach that physical check. And now here the check amount paying to which invoice here? Invoice to pay. What is the invoice? This one, right? So 481.15. Apply. Not that. So here also some discount calculated 7.75. So total amount 473 I'm going to pay. And here in advanced also. So directly you can generate the account details, accounting entries. Anyway, that I'll show you again. Then select button. What is the payment number? Payment number nothing but this one only, 4050 only. Okay. It will not generate separately another number. Payment 4050. Save and close. So payment created. Now I will account it. So this is the payment number 4050. Go to task list and manage payments. 4050. Search. Open this. So here it is showing negotiable So select this post to ledger. So still we will have a option initiate for stop. Okay. So it is created accounting. So earlier when invoice was created, a liability account was created, now it is debited. My cash clearing account is credited. See, why cash account is not directly crediting? Here implemented cash management module. If cash management module implemented in application, directly cash account will not hit. So this payment details, it will go to cash management. In system, whatever payments I created 4050, this data it will go to cash management module. Also cash management will integrate with bank server, bank software system. In bank, this transaction, definitely that check will submit in that bank, right? In supplier account, that account it will come to, that check it will come for clearance. Once it is cleared, the transaction will be completed in bank. So that transaction also, it will be imported to cash management. So this is the system transaction. Through interface, bank transaction also, data also will be available in cash management. So this two transaction data, they will match in the cash management. So that is called bank reconciliation. So once that reconciliation process is completed, then this cash clearing account credit, finally cash account will debit. Okay. So that is what, why here instead of cash account debiting, crediting, why cash clearing account is coming into picture. Okay. You got it right? Yeah. Select done. Yeah, so this payment status later it will clear after bank reconciliation. Okay. So now payment also done. Finally, whatever entries created data, that will move to the general ledger application. Where is the general accounting? It's a general ledger module. Here also only one app is there. Let me check other apps enabled or not under general accounting work area. Receivables, supply chain, payables. Yeah, only it is enabled. I will enable this one also, for me not required. This is this and okay. Save and close. Go to journals, click on under general accounting, click on journals. Here manage journals. So those journals automatically generated. So this is the period August 25 fine. And what other filters required? Source payables, and also I will add more accounting date. I'll select today date and let me search. Why it's not showing? It's not coming. Yeah. So here also there is different ledger name. Let me change the ledger name. My ledger is US primary ledger. Okay. Now source payables, accounting date, today date, select search. Now also not coming. Let me remove and search. Okay. Here many are there, but which is mine? So in this August 25, many are created. Payables. I think this one, right? Just I'm checking with the amount wise, but sometimes um, invoice amount and the payment amount also will be same, right? Created by. Yes, I know. These two are my journals. One created for invoice, one created for payments. I know that, but any other creation date? Let me check with creation date. Not between, on, before, after. It is not showing equal. On or after. Search with this. Okay, it is showing time also. Because of that, maybe it is not showing. 241. It is showing the server time. On or after. On or after. Well, okay. Yeah. I also few more are there. That's okay, fine, no problem. So this one, this is what payments journal. This one. This is the payment journal. But with the same amount, few more are, see, 4 are there, right? But those are secondary ledgers actually. And there is another ledger also. This is the secondary ledger for US primary ledger. Okay. So I'll check only. First, I'll check. Okay, all are posted. That's okay. Now, first let me check primary ledger. This is the purchase invoice. You click on open the journals. Anyway, this is not your role or task in real time. This is just for understanding, okay? Successfully data moved or not to general ledger module. So this is the purchase invoice, and come down. When you click on this is the liability account actually. 22210 accrued receipt. Okay, this is the invoice, right? This is the accrual account. 22100 is the liability account. Just if you place the cursor here, it will show you. See, accounts payable. It's a liability account. When you click on this amount, here, see, you will find the invoice number 60052. That is the receipt number, right? It's the invoice number. Yeah, it is my journal, right? This is correct. Also, you can view transaction here. I don't know why it is showing. It will open the invoice details here directly. It will not come. So pre-login. Okay, it is in login status only. Go to journals. Okay. Manage journals. Use primary ledger, that's fine. And source tables. Creation date on or after. Voting. Such. Okay. That's fine here. Where is my correct? No, filter is correct, no? 25 cables. It is showing different way. Yes, primary ledger correct. Mm. Okay. Sorry, on or after, right? I should select here. This is correct. This one, right? Yeah, so you can select this one. Anyway, the next page it is not showing. That's okay. And go to payments. I think this one, right? Second line. Yes, primary ledger 481, correct. Here also, see, this is the discount account also was created, right, for 7.75. But this is the amount 22100. It's account payable account debited, created with this one, a discount account, and another account is cash clearing account. So accounts also successfully moved to the general ledger. Uh, those posted to primary ledger. So this is one end-to-end high-level understanding how in this house in system flow steps involve and how to perform all these steps. So any question about this P2P cycle? So now we
Ravi,
will, yeah.
yeah, Ravi, like earlier, how we have seen that roles assigning to the user for any specific transactions. So those roles, will you be able to tell us, like, I mean, like this, if for this particular user, only we can give only requisition users. This can be accessible only for buyers. So those type of roles, like what roles we need to give. So at least, I mean, like, do we have any document or we can get anywhere?
No. See, this is one high-level understanding I
Yeah.
shown you.
Yeah.
From tomorrow onwards, I will create my own configuration, with my own user.
Okay.
So then I'll assign what are the roles required for requisition, what are the roles required for purchase
Sure.
order. That and all. See, without knowing this end-to-end cycle, if I start directly configuration, to test this cycle, at least some 4 or 5 days it will take time for configuration only.
Yeah, Ravi, I
Yeah.
understand.
You will not know the why we are all configuring, what is the purpose, that you don't know while configuring all this. Now whatever I'm going to configure, perform this P2P cycle, you will have that idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because of that, I ran this one end-to-end cycle. But from tomorrow, I'll create my own user, and also what is that enterprise structure? Also, I'll create my own.
Okay, Ravi.
I'll not use this seeded. Okay, maybe later after that, if instance is refreshed, then I'll use my Vision enterprise. Okay. Any other questions? That's okay. I'll stop here the session. We'll continue tomorrow.
And Ravi, like, just can you upload this video, Ravi?
Yeah, I'll upload it.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.